Hello everyone, Adrian D. Holmes here, and I'm back at you with another exciting video. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the KonMari method to clean out your closets and specifically deal with your clothes. If you're like me, your closet is your personal haven that contains more clothes, accessories, electronics, knickknacks, decorations, and other items than any other room in your house. As discouraging as they may appear, there is still hope for your closets. No need to wave your hands up in the air with despair. Have some hope. You can begin the closet reclamation process by pulling everything out of your closets. This includes your shirts, your shorts, your pants, socks, underwear, bathing suits and swim trunks, dress clothing, seasonal clothing, jackets, coats, shoes, and any other items that you wear from your closets. As discussed in a previous video, the KonMari method uses two basic steps, discarding and organizing. You can begin the discarding process by asking yourself the question, does this item bring me joy? If you find items that don't bring joy anymore, don't keep them. Get rid of them. Don't tell yourself maybe I'll wear this or someday I'll wear it, because in the world of decluttering, maybe and someday mean never. Also, don't keep a bunch of items that you have a hard time getting rid of on the grounds of using them as sleeping clothes. Remember in your mind, the purpose that you purchased many of these clothes was to wear out, and now that the clothes have been worn out, go ahead and discard them, because they've fulfilled their intended purpose. Now that you've successfully discarded all the items that do not spark joy, it's time to organize what's left. One of the basic tenets of the KonMari method is folding. Whereas in Western culture, hanging clothes is a very common practice, the KonMari method emphasizes folding. Marie Kondo, the creator of the method, insists that through all of her experiences training people on how to declutter their houses and how to tidy their houses, folding clothes by and large reduces space and helps preserve the quality of the clothing being stored better so than hanging them on hangers. And although most people think they know how to fold their clothes, Marie Kondo has discovered a unique technique to use whenever you fold almost any item of clothing that uses up the least amount of space as possible. Let's start practicing the folding method by using a basic undershirt. Go ahead and lay out the shirt on a flat surface such as the top of a bed, table, or some other area, and move away any obstructing items so the folding process is as smooth and uninhibited as possible. We're going to start by folding in one of the sleeves and shoulders to the neckline. Then we're going to do the same with the other sleeve and shoulder. You should have a nice straight rectangle in front of you. Now we're going to fold the shirt in half lengthwise. Now we're going to fold the remaining rectangle in thirds lengthwise again until you have a small rectangle that's able to stand up on its own. And before we move on with life, let's practice that again. Fold out another shirt like so. It doesn't matter if it faces up or down, it's up to you. Make sure it's lying flat, then fold in one of the shoulders and sleeves into the neckline, and then do the same with the other shoulder and sleeve. Now fold the shirt in half, leaving a little space up near the neckline if necessary, then fold into thirds. When you're finished, you should have a small rectangle that can stand up on its own. With few exceptions, this technique should work with just about any shirt. Just remember that you may need to leave a little space at the neckline before you fold into thirds to keep that perfect rectangle that can stand up on its own. But beyond that, the technique should be about the same for any shirt. Remember, with long sleeves you may need to turn down the sleeves themselves as an additional fold, but beyond that the technique remains the same. Once you're finished folding, go ahead and store your shirts in a drawer, or if you're a minimal person like me who doesn't own furniture like that, just store them in a crate or bin. Remember, in the KonMari method, we never stack, we stand. When working with socks and underwear, a simplified version of the same method applies. With the underwear, go ahead and just lay them out like so. Lay them out to the side so it looks like you're looking at the side hip of the person. Then fold over in half along the seams and then fold into thirds. They should be able to stand up neatly on their own. With socks, many people have fallen for the nasty habit of bunching them over around the ankle like this. That's actually a no-no. What you should do is just lay one on top of the other and fold in half like so. They can now stand upright and the elastic ankle band is preserved. Once we've finished folding, boom! Look at that. See how our folded clothes neatly compress into a smaller space? And now we can transfer all of that into a nice bin just like we did with our shirts. Remember, with the KonMari method, we don't stack, we stand. When working with shorts, you have different materials you're dealing with. With cargo shorts, you have heavier materials, whereas with athletic and sports shorts, you have thinner, smoother materials. Considering this then, these shorts will require different techniques of the same process to fold. Let's start with the cargo shorts. Lay them out as if you're looking at a person from the front, and make sure that the seams are all flat and smooth. Now fold the shorts over in half like so, and then we're going to go ahead and divide it into thirds. Next, let's deal with our sports shorts. Because they're of a thinner material, we're going to use a technique that was similar to the underwear. Go ahead and lay them out as if you're looking at the person from the side, and then go ahead and just fold them over in half like so, and now we're going to fold into half again, and another half. With all your casual daywear, nightwear, and underwear stored and folded in bins, crates, or drawers, you should have plenty of room left in your closet for your seasonal wear, dress wear, and any other nice items that you like to hang. When hanging any remaining clothes, hang the heaviest and longest articles to the left of your closet and gradually move to the right, so on the right side you have the shortest, lightest, and smallest clothes. According to Marie Kondo, this creates a general sense of optimism and positivity. In another video, I'll discuss what to do with non-clothing items that may be around your house, but for now, rest in the fact that you know how to declutter and tidy your closets. So I'm pretty pleased with my KonMari journey so far. Today I targeted all the clothes in my closet, and then tomorrow I'm going to focus on everything else. Remember, with the KonMari method, you don't go by room, you go by category. If you've enjoyed this video, I encourage you to share this, like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about the KonMari method, you can check out the book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo, which I'll link to in the description box below. Until next time, this is Adrian D. Holmes wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Goodbye!